Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel, Yours Photoshop Tutor. So in this video, I am going to showcase you how to give dual lights techniques to single image. So here I open one image of a famous football player, as everybody knows it's about Messi. So what I'll do is, I have a image in this layer option over here. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl J to duplicate this. Okay, now I can select which layer I want to change the color. Okay, or I want to select this, or I want to select this. Okay. Hmm? What I'll do is I select this, I go to image, I go to adjustments, I go to the option called desaturate. Okay, so it become like a grayscale mode. Now I'm going to go for a selection tool over here that's known as rectangular marquee tool selection. I'm going to click and drag over here how much area I want, this much area, this much area, or this much area I want. Select this, just go to adjustment layer, go to solid color, select the color whichever color you want from here, like this. Click over here, I want to have red color like this, select this. Okay, now I have a color changing option over here, and I have a one more option we got mask. Now this yellow is this area and black is this area, so double click on this. We have a called feather option to make it smooth like this on the edges, like this. Okay, it's done. Close this thing and just come over here, go to the option called soft light, or you can also take a different option, screen light. We can take also as a overlay option like this. It's perfect. Now again, go press Ctrl J on the same layer, select this, Ctrl J, change the color, double click on this, change the color like this. Okay, now I want this color to go this side, right side, not left side. Okay, so select this area, press Ctrl I, it got changed. See, press Ctrl I, this side, this side, this side, and this side, like this. So I got the result what I want. So normal image, then desaturated image, then the colored image. Yeah, here I got the final output.